Buko Pandan. Wash the pandan leaves. Add in some water and blend it. Strain to extract the pure pandan juice. Add in 1 liter of water. Add in 15 grams of agar powder. Stir evenly and cook until boils. Pour it into a baking tray and put it into the refrigerator to solidify. Mix together the condensed milk, evaporated milk, coconut water, and whipping cream. Stir evenly. Cook some sago. Take out the pandan jelly once it has solidified and cut it into cubes. Mix the cooked sago with green pandan coloring. It's time to start dessert plating. Pandan jelly, Nata de coco, coconut flesh, the milky sauce, some lychee, the green sago. Lastly, decorate with pandan leaf.